Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make real estate listing website on Wix. So let's get started. But by the way, what is this real estate website listing? When we say real estate listing website, this is an online platform where real estate professionals such as agents, brokers, or individuals can advertise properties for sale, rent, or lease. It's a digital marketplace where buyers and renters can search for properties based on various criteria. And we will be creating a website for that where you, as broker, as agent, can showcase rentals and other properties that are for sale. So how are we going to do that? First and foremost, you have to go to Wix, sign up. If you don't have an account, you need to sign up. All you have to do or all you have to prepare is email address and password, or you can just basically connect your Google account. It would be easier for you to do that. So once you have your Wix account right here, then what you're going to do is you have to click this create new site. And by the way, if you have unpublished or not published sites and you want to edit this, you want to select and edit this before you publish, then you can select that website right here and then edit. But for the sake of this tutorial, because we will be creating a real estate website or real estate listing website, and then I'm going to show you how to create one. What you're going to do is you have to tap on create new site right here. Now you will have two options here, create sites with Wix Studio's new editor for agency and freelancers. You can try Wix Studio, but these features are advanced. So you can try this one out if you want, but as a beginner, I strongly suggest to try Create on Wix Editor because the features here are simpler than using the Wix Studio. Now you can ask AI to start or help you build a good template or a good site, but it will take a lot of time. So again, I strongly suggest to tap the second one right here to make it easier for you to follow. Now we are here on what type of website do you want to create. Of course, let's just say real estate. Okay, so there are a lot of options below that I want to choose real estate agency. Click this one and then tap on continue. Now it's preparing for your dashboard. So before you go to your dashboard, Wix will ask you a bit of your business. So what is the name of your business? So the name of my business is Primeness Realty. And then what's your business address? You can add it right here or search. Once you're done, then what you're going to do is tap on continue. Now here you can set your default uh, working hours. Let's just say you don't work every Sunday or Saturday. So you just work every Monday or Mondays to Fridays. You can set the time right here. Let's just say you work at 6 a.m. and then till this time right here. And then you can change the time zone. So basically Hong Kong. You can look for, okay, Hong Kong. And then once done, all you have to do is tap on continue. And then now you can start adding services because you are or you're about to create a website for a real estate agency. So let's just say, no, I don't offer this service for buyer consultation, or yes. Of course, tap on this one, open house. You can click this one, listing photos, yes. Property viewings, yes. Property management, yes. Property financing, property evaluation, property development consultation. And if you want to offer a service and you can't find it right here, all you have to do is tap on create new service and then add this right here. Now here you can add your staff member, or you can say, or let's just say your teammates or team members, though this one is optional, but of course this one is very important too. So you can add their names right here and also their email address. Once they have added their names and their email address, then what you're going to do is tap on continue. And then what else do you want to do with your business? You offer virtual sessions. You click that one, sync your personal Google app or Outlook calendar. I can disregard this, accept online payments, yes. And then manage your services and bookings on the go. You can tap this one or not. So once done, tap on continue. Now you're done with all the steps and you can now continue to dashboard. So in order for you to build a good and outstanding website, you need to follow this instruction right here. So you're done with updating your site type. Next is you have to connect. If you have your domain, then all you have to do is to connect your domain right here, as this one is recommended for your website, uh, for your website to be available. Now you can set hours, which is done. Set your working hours. Set up your payment methods. If you want to set up right here, tap this one. Well, basically, you can just choose from debit, credit. You can also choose PayPal, manual payments, cash on delivery. You can just tap this one right here, but we will not go further with this one because this is not our main goal. If you want to know more about Wix tutorials, just visit our channel. Now, design your website. Yes, this one is indeed very important. And you can also tap on Get Found in Google and follow the steps in order for you to be found in Google. So, on the left side here, you can add your payment method, you can add your product, you can go and add some applications right here and so on. Customize your gift cards, payment finances, and actually, whatever you change here, add here, it will not affect your other site as this one is an independent website. So whatever you change or add here, it will not affect other websites right here. Okay, so what you're going to do now is you have to tap on the sign site. Click this one. How would you like to design your website? You can choose pick a template or generate a design. For this one, it will take a lot of time since you want to personalize your design, your site. But also it depends on your idea. So you can also do it in seconds or in minutes. But as a beginner, I strongly suggest to just pick a template because website or Wix has a lot of wonderful templates. All you have to do is to enter your category or niche, and then you can choose from any of their templates. So tap on the first one, which is pick a template. And you can see here real estate agency templates. These are the best match. You can choose from any of this, or you can scroll down here and you can find more. Now, if you are using the free version, then there are some templates here that you cannot use. You need to upgrade your plan. So if you have upgraded your plan, then there will be more templates to choose from. So for the sake of this tutorial, I just click or select from any of the free version right here. And I'm going to choose this one. So if you want, all you have to do is tap on edit. Okay, so you can see here, enhance your AI content, but this one is optional. You can tap this X right here, and this is your site and template that you can edit for you to have a good real estate agency website, or let's just say real estate listing website. On the left side, you can see here add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, business media, CMS. I'm going to show you how to use this one right here. But for now, you can tap on this to zoom in. Okay, so first and foremost, you need to change the name of your website right here. Okay, now I can change the style. Okay, heading. Let's just say this one right here. And then you can change the font, you can change the color, key font size. You can also add effects if you wanted to. And then you can also move this here in the center. This is the good thing about Wix. Now you can add tagline or whatever you want to add here. So I can add, let's just say, okay, Prime Living starts here. Change the name. Okay, Jan Delu. And here it is. Now you can just basically start your editing now. So for this one, let's just say this is not your image and you have your own picture, you have your own image from that specific place or location, then all you have to do is tap this one right here and then you can change this with the image, with your own image. Tap on image, upload media, upload from computer, or if you don't have, then you can also use their one of their pictures from their gallery or from their media. You can tap this one right here. Okay. So now I can choose from any of this. So let's just say I want this one. Change background. And this is what it looks like. Now you can also change the background right here if you want, if you think that, you want to change the color or you want to change the image also. So here it is. Now you have the name, okay, and now these are the built-in features and sections. So if you want to edit this and create new one, and then tap delete if you think that these are unnecessary. Now let's move on to this page right here. So basically, if you go to your about section, if you have added that, you can just go. If you have added privacy policy, you can tap this one. If you have added accessibility statement and book online, you just go directly to these pages. No need to scroll down. Okay. For example, if you have added about, then basically it will take you directly to this. So this one you can add about, okay, about your website, about your listing website. You can add more information about here. So on here. So let's just see. So here I want to add about Prime Nest Realty. So these are the information. I can change this with the pictures of my staff. So here are my staff right here. All you have to do is to add and then change the image. Now let's go back to home. So I will be adding a section right here if you want to add, and then if you want to promote your properties or if you want to promote house, apartments, or any properties that you want to sell right here, all you have to do is tap on add section and then tap on add elements. Now you have options here if you want to add the image, if you want to add gallery, contact forms, interactive list, and so on. So you can just basically select from any. Now I will be adding gallery here, slider gallery, and I will showcase the property that is for sale or properties that are for sale. Tap this one. And this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to add the images or those properties that are for sale. I have my picture, so I have to just basically change the image right here and then tap this one, replace, upload from your computer. So once you have added your properties or the properties that are for sale, you can tap on done and you should see it right here. You can add more if you wanted to. Now I'm going to add the villa that is for sale. Add section right here. Tap on add elements and I'm going to add image right here. Okay. Okay, so now this villa is for sale. I am going to add a text right here to give more information about this property. So tap on add elements, text. Okay, you can choose from any of this here. Okay, just this one. So as you can see, I have added here the title and also the name of the property rather, and the information about this villa. Now, if you want to add more, so I will be showing again, let's just say apartment. Tap on add section, tap on add elements, gallery, and you can choose from any of this right here. Okay, for example, this one, carousel. And then same thing, just add the pictures right here, the apartments that are for sale. Okay, so we have here, I have added the pictures, house for sale, villa, and then apartment. Now this time, I'm going to add a contact and form. Tap on add section. Then what you're going to do is tap on the section right here. So you can add welcome, about, team, contact, promotion, services, and so on. So let's just say I'm going to add services first before the contact. Okay, tap on this one right here, and then you can choose from any of this. So for example, this one, and then you can add your services. So I have added here the services of our agency, residential sales, luxury and state sales, by representation, and they can see all the information below. And last but not the least is I will add a contact form right here so that they can just basically reach out to us easily. So you can tap on this plus icon right here. You can go to contact forms. Okay. And you can tap from any of this style. For example, this one. I just want to make it simple. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is a sample form. Your client or customer can just add their name, last name, email, write a message, and then submit. but you can also expand this one if you want. But this is how you create your contact form right here. And if you want to add more, like if you want to add video and music as presentation, you can add that one. You can also embed code. If you have your YouTube channel or other website, you can tap this one right here and then link your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok account. Yes, it's possible. You can now set up your payment, CMS. You can also add a blog right here for them to know more about let's just say Prime Realty or Prime, to know more about your real estate agency. If you have your store, if you accept bookings, you just have to go to this part. Also, for section, you can add about your team, contact, promotion. There are tons of templates here that you can choose. Now, testimonials from your clients as a proof that you're 100% a legit agency. You can also click this one right here, add their faces, add their image, and then their testimony. Okay, you can add clients, okay, and their if you have clients right here, you can just basically add them, add their logo and their name, and so on. So for pages and menu, this is what you can see here on your header. Okay, so you can just basically change this right here. Okay, you can add privacy policy if you wanted to. So to make it visible, you just have to click this eye icon right here. Basically, you can now add privacy policy to your real estate agency or your real estate listing website. You can add pages if you want to, like if you want to add services, projects, you want to add a landing page, then your client can see it right here. Okay, so you can also add application. Let's just say for payment, you can add Stripe right here, or you can choose from any application that you think are necessary and that are indeed a big help for your website agency. You can just go to App Market. You can change or add some business information right here, like your bookings. If you want to create services and work hours, you can just go to this icon, add more images or videos and link in your social media. You can tap it right here. If you want to add CMS added to your site, you can also so that you can set up content collections, create hundreds of dynamic pages, and so on. So if you want to preview, you can tap on preview before you publish. You can preview that in desktop view or mobile view, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is how you create or make a real estate listing website here on Wix. So this is how easy it is to make a real estate listing website on Wix and to showcase and promote or sell properties right here all in one. All you have to do is to share this website to your clients, to your friends and customers. And as you can see, this is the format. This is the contact form. If they wanted to ask you something, if someone wants to ask an important thing or matter about your property right here, then they can just basically add their name, last name, email address. They can add a message right here, tap on submit, and you will be notified as the owner of this real estate agency website. You can receive this message because you will be notified. And basically, that's how easy it is to make real estate listing website on Wix. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.